Japanese art. Introduction to Japanese art. In this video, I'm going to teach you about Japanese art. So let's start. Japanese art covers a wide range of art styles and media, including ancient pottery, sculpture, ink painting, and calligraphy on the silk and paper, ukiyo-e paintings and woodblock prints, kirigami, origami, dorodango, and more recently, manga, modern Japanese cartooning and comics, along with a myriad of other types of works of art. The earliest complex art in Japan was produced in the 7th and 8th centuries in connection with Buddhism. In the 9th century, as the Japanese began to turn away from China and develop indigenous forms of expression, painting is the preferred artistic expression in Japan, practiced by amateurs and professionals alike. Until modern times, the Japan wrote with a brush rather than a pen, and their familiarity with brush techniques has made them particularly sensitive to the values and aesthetics of painting. Woodblock prints became a major form, and its techniques were fine tuned to produce colorful prints. Japanese ceramics are among the finest in the world and include the earliest known artifacts of their culture. History of Japanese art. Jomon art. The first settlers of Japan, the Jomon people, 11,000 to 300 BC, named for the god making that decorated the surface of their clay vessels. They crafted lavishly decorated pottery, storage vessels, and clay figurines. Second is yayoi art. The next wave of immigrants was the yayoi people, named for the district in Tokyo where remnants of their settlements first were found. These people arriving in Japan about 350 BC brought their knowledge of wetland rice cultivation, the manufacture of copper weapons and bronze bells, and wheel thrown kiln fired ceramics. Next is coffin art, the third stage in Japanese prehistory, the coffin period 250 to 552 AD represents a modification of Yayoi culture, attributable either to eternal development of external force. The period is named for the large number of coffin megalithic tombs created during this period. Hope you have understood the topic discussed in the video. So stay tuned for the next videos.